The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Pass my phone for me, boom,
Bonat.
Find me, I go and can't be.
What's that name? What's that name?
Rough road.
Rough Road.
Yeah.
Bombaka.
Shit.
Real weird.
Yeah, man, Atta Road, man.
Atta Road.
Hatter Road, yes. That really need one Hatter Road, you see? My people, in no way I'm trying to disrespect the person shown in that video that I just presented to you. No, I would never do that. So big up and respect to the person shown in that video that I just presented to you. But I would never wear a hair design like that. If a barber give him that hair design, that barber cannot get $1 from me. And if my barber ever do my hair so, I'm going to cut off everything clean. I'm going to talk about me hair, not me head. You see it? What if 20 years from now, a hair design like that is actually the hottest hair design 20 years from now? Would you wear a hair design like that if a hair design like that is the hottest hair design 20 years from now? Because I've seen some weird fashion statements over the years. And that's why I think that anything is possible. You see me, I say? Alright. Let me know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers. Alright. And big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, me there here again. You see? Yeah, I want to send a shout out to Nikolai Gaming. Nikolai Gaming, big up yourself. And I want to send a shout out to Roxy. Yeah, big up yourself. Alright. Now, I have one more video that I'm going to present to you, and I'm going to move on to that video. The next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show an altercation between a man and the police within the country that is known as Guyana. This video is going to show some things that happened when police officers from within the country of Guyana was trying to arrest a man and the man was resisting arrest. This video also shows when those police officers stopped from trying to restrain the man. And that is one of the reasons why I think the video is being talked about on social media. I do not have any confirmed information as to why those police officers was trying to arrest that man. I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Guyana the video had been recorded, nor do I have any confirmed information as to when the video had been recorded. One of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because this video is being talked about on social media. Alright? And you, my viewers and subscribers, can also take a look at this video and tell me what to think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video as well. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
What officer tell me? So man, don't touch. Please don't touch my hand. Please. Try then. Calm yourself. Calm yourself. No. Please. Calm. Try then. Calm yourself. Yeah, what's that? Try then. Calm yourself. Try then. Don't touch my hand. Calm yourself. Yo. Try then. Try then. Yo. Loose me. Hey. Why y'all cutting up my foot? Try that calm yourself, boy.
Y'all can't talk.
Yo, you see y'all broke me watch, right?
No, y'all can't talk to you. Madam.
Yo. Try that.
His wife is the only person. His wife is the only person who talk to him.
You didn't see how he cussing up in front of his wife?
Ma'am, please, you could please just talk to them. He's gonna be at the station.
You gotta go with me.
Somebody could go in the vehicle with him.
I tell you, I'll come to the fucking station. Yo.
Mom, you could just please. It's my friend.
He's disrespectful. You ain't gotta go on like that. He assaulting the police officers. Look how his wife and all talking to him, and he can't understand that.
He said come to the station.
He got go between now.
Come to the station, boy. Here I said come to the fucking station. Here I said come in.
Inspector, we bring you nobody.
We got carried.
Why you still coming back? Yeah, man.
Hey. Please stop. Yo, I'm talking to you. Please stop. I'm
you don't know me, Loose me on it.
Please
Yeah,
stop.
tell you.
Please
You
stop.
don't know me, Batman.
Please stop.
Yeah, tell you.
You want shoot it?
Please stop.
You must come out of front of me.
You want to sing from the body?
Move first person.
Fuck you.
Please stop.
I can't talk to anybody, y'all.
Jordan.
Y'all arresting me.
Please stop.
Hey. Wait till I get me slip up. I got me slip up.
Yo, please stop.
Why you squeezing me on? You boss me watching.
Me boss you watch.
Jordan.
Back me fucking watch.
Well, make
I'm
her find it
talking
back.
to you. Stop, come on.
You make her find it back.
Jordan, listen to what
You make her find it
What the
back.
car keys?
Me, you know, when I come to the station, right?
Yeah, so that's why you gotta behave like that.
I said I'm coming at the station.
What the car
I
keys?
said I'm coming, I'm here with my wife. Are y'all still fucking holding me?
Jordan.
Why I said coming at the station? I said I'm coming. I said I'm here with my wife.
Stop.
And I cannot just
Where's
leave
the car keys?
without my wife.
Car keys.
Are y'all arresting? I embarrassing me in front of me wife.
Yourself.
You were cursing in front of your
Y'all
wife.
embarrassing me in front of me fucking wife.
Try to stop.
Y'all embarrassing me in front of me wife. Why y'all be gassing me? And why you fucking touch me?
Why stop your
Touch me now.
Rose,
That's why you fucking
Rose,
Why I can't touch you several times, boy.
I want
Touch
to
me now. Touch me now.
Rose,
Lucy, yeah, Lucy, they touch me, Lucy.
Rose, Rose, leave
You're
him.
fucking me, boy.
Lucy, they touch me.
Rose, Rose,
Yeah,
Rose,
watch.
leave him.
Yeah, boss,
Matt
watch.
first and leave him. You guys are gonna bring him?
Yeah, blue slap me on.
We gonna bring
me
it.
on, boy. You want fucking loose up me on, boy.
Rose, leave him. Rose, Rose,
Fucking me. You be like fucking fresh on you. You like a bluff me.
Where's the key?
Why you loose me on?
Rose,
Hey, my age.
I don't know my fucking rights.
Rose, leave him.
You see what? You see me watch? When you have bust up, you are fucking me.
I don't know where the keys are.
You find me things that me don't.
Car keys there.
Find me things. You last me fucking. You find me
You
fucking.
don't have the keys?
I can't feel like any fucking book. I can't tell anybody else.
My people, you ever hear one saying where them say cat and dog do not have the same luck? It might not be exactly the same word for word, you know, but I just try to say the same, you see? So not because the video shows that those police officers stopped from restraining that man, that don't mean another person might be so lucky. And that don't mean that that man don't get into trouble with the law for what he had done. Maybe later on, that man might get charged for doing something like that. I said might, you understand? You see it? Yeah, because, you know, maybe the man go to the police station because according to some things that I heard in the video, that man might have went to the police station. So who knows what happened? You see what I say? Maybe the man got there, maybe he don't go there. You know, I just go by some things that had been said in the video that I just presented to you. However, I want to point it out to each and every one that resisting arrest can get you into big trouble with the law. I know that sometimes the situation can be embarrassing and it can make you feel a certain way inside, especially if you know that you're an innocent person and you know for sure that you have not done anything wrong. But my best advice to each and every one is that you should take legal actions to defend yourself when it comes on to dealing with a situation that had been shown in that video. You see me? Resisting arrest can get you into big trouble with the law. You see? And I think I've said these things before in previous videos that I've posted. You see me? I said to you, yeah, not all of them, but quite a number of them. But anyways, you know, I hear some of you left it number people. Let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself, you see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.